Wait. Ready. Yeah.
Mama, it's a mad world. I feel bad for all the boys and girls falling in from the astral plane, out of the great unknown into the grand insane. But listen, children, I've got good news. You don't have to play by the rules. So step right up and just stake your claim, and I'm gonna teach you how to play the game. Just throw your punches and have no hesitance. Follow hunches in spite of evidence of this whole earth. It's just a private residence, and you could be president. Mama, I hate to say, dog eat dog seems like the only